Welcome to Sheik Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see bivariate correlation coefficient. Bivariate correlation coefficient. It is a university statistics. In grade 12, 13, A level, we study correlation coefficient. Here, we are going to study bivariate, two variables. Okay. What is bivariate? Bivariate is two variable. What is correlation coefficient? It is a numerical value that quantify strength and relationship between the two variables. What is correlation coefficient? It is a numerical value that quantify the strength and relationship between the two variables. Okay. What is, have you ever wondered how to measure the relationship between two variables? For example, your study hours and your exam score. If you study more hours, you will get high score. If you watch my YouTube channel, you will gain more. And of course, I will also gain more. And this is called a positive relationship. Okay? If you study more hours, you will gain good marks. This is a positive relationship. Second, what is the negative relationship? How to say? Okay, some product, if the product is more production, the demand will decrease. So more production, that demand. What will happen? It is a negative relationship. Okay, and there is no relationship. What is the relationship? Okay, if you are playing games and the exam score, if you game how much you play, it has no effect on your exam score. Okay, sometimes it may decrease also. Okay, this is called no relationship. Okay, bivariate correlation coefficient value, it is rho or R in some books. The value is between -1 to +1. That is the one good point. Suppose when you calculate, the value goes beyond, you have committed mistake somewhere. Okay, the R value is between -1 to +1. That one only look it out. If it is -1, it is a negative correlation coefficient. If it is +1, it is a positive correlation coefficient. What does it mean? Positive correlation. When it is x value, so when it is one variable increases, y variable also increases. Okay. Negative correlations means when one is increases, another is decreases. Okay, got it. Okay, now let us see. We will do with one good example now. Okay, let us see the example. X value is 1 and 2. Y value is 0, 1, 2. This probability is 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.3, 0.1, 0.1. If you add all this, it has to come 1. Okay, this question is given. Now we have to find the bivariate correlation coefficient. How to do it? Okay, what is the bivariate correlation coefficient formula? Rho is equal to sigma xy over sigma x, sigma y. Okay. Rho is equal to, sigma x. I should write like this. Okay. Okay. What is it in the numerator? It is a sigma xy. In the denominator, sigma x, sigma y. What is sigma xy? It is a covariant xy. Covariant xy. What is sigma x? It is a standard deviation of sigma x. Standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y. Okay. Now let us see each. What is first? We found what is the sigma xy. How to do it? This one. There are many formulas are there. Okay. This is a generalist formula. Sigma x minus mu x, y minus mu y, sigma probability of xy x minus mu x, y minus mu y, probability of xy. This is what is called, I write clearly, x minus mu x, y minus mu y times probability of xy. Okay, what is sigma x? It is nothing but square root of sigma x squared. Okay. What is sigma y? Square root of sigma y squared. Okay, what is sigma x squared? Sigma x minus this sigma. Both we will call it as sigma only. This one is also sigma, this one is also sigma. Sigma x minus mu x whole square px. What is sigma y square? Sigma y minus mu y whole square py. Sigma x squared, x minus mu x whole squared px. Sigma y squared, sigma y minus mu y whole squared py. Okay, I can note it down. Now all rho is equal to sigma xy, sigma over sigma x times sigma y. What is sigma xy? It is a covariant xy. What is sigma x? Standard deviation of x. What is sigma y? Standard deviation of y. Sigma xy is sigma x minus mu x, y minus mu y, pxy. Sigma x is square root of sigma x squared. So sigma y is square root of sigma y squared. Sigma x squared is sigma x minus mu x whole squared. Sigma y squared is sigma y minus mu y whole square. Okay, this is also this sigma we will call it as, this is also sigma we will call it as. Okay. Now, have you noticed here there is no square, but there are two contents. Here square, here square, here probability of xy, probability of x, probability of. One thing we until now not defined, what is mu x? I will write here. Mu x is sigma x px, mu y is sigma y py. That's all the formulas we have written. Copy down. Then this also we have to do it. What is, it is better to find this one. 0.1, 0.2 is 0.3. 0.2, 0.3 is 0.5. 0.1, 0.1 is 0.2. 0.3, 0.5, 0.2, if you add it, it is 1 coming. Here 0.4. Here 0.6. Okay. Now we can go into the sum. Okay. First one by one we will do. What is mu x? Mu x is sigma x px, right? What is sigma x px? First we are going to find mu x. Is sigma x px. What is sigma x? 1. X values are 1 and 2. 1. What is px? You have to add 0.4. 1 times 0.4 and 2 times 0.6. This 1 is from here, this 2 is from here, this 0.4 from here, this 0.6 from here. So what will happen? 0.4 plus 1.2, it will be 1.6. Mu x is 1.6. What is mu y? 0 times 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. 0 times 0.3 plus 1 times, this one is this one. 1 times 0.5 plus 2 times 0.2. 0 plus 0.5 plus 0.4 is equal to 0.9. Okay, I am right? Check it out. No, it is 0.2 only here. And S2 times 0.2 is 0.4, right? Perfect. I have given very simple 0.1, 0.2, 0.2, 0.3, but in the book it is coming 0.15, 0.13 accordingly. Okay. For example, I am illustrating with the simple example. So mu x is 1.6, mu y is 0.9. Note it down. Mu x is 1.6, mu y is 0.9. Now what we have to do? Sigma x squared. What is sigma x squared? Sigma x minus mu x whole square px. Okay. What is x? 1. 1 minus what is mu x? 1.6 whole square times what is px? This we know it is 0.4. What is px? 0.4. For 1 we finished. Then for 2 minus 1.6 whole square times 0.6. So what is the, if you do 1 minus 1.6 is minus 0.6. Minus 0.6 square is 0.36. 0.36 times 0.4 plus 0.4 square. 0.4 square is what? 0.4 squared is 0.16 times 0.6. 0.36 times 0.4 is 36 times 4 is 144. So it is 0.144. 0.16 times 6 is 96. 96, but it is a 3-digit, so 0.096. So what the value will come? 0.240. Agreed? Okay. This is a sigma x squared. Okay, sigma y squared I will do. Already you know sigma y minus mu y whole square times py. Y is 0. People will commit mistake. 0 minus something will be 0. But here different. 0 minus mu y. I will write here. I will write here. Okay. Until now you copy down? Okay. Y value is 0. 0 minus what is mu y? 0.9 whole square times 0.3. This is 0.3 plus 1 minus mu y. 1 minus mu y is 0.4 times 0.5. 2 minus mu y times 0.2. Okay. This if you add it, it will come. 0 minus 0.9 is what? 0.9 minus 0.9. Minus 0.9 square is 0.81. 0.81 plus 0.81 plus 0.81 times 3 is 0.243. 1 minus 0.1 is 0.1. 0.1 square is 0.01 times 0.5 is 0.005. 2 minus 0.9 is 1.1. 1.1 square is 1.21. 1.21 times 0.2 is 0.242. Right, copy down. Okay. Now we have done sigma x squared, we have done this, we have done sigma y squared, we have done mu x, we have done mu y, we have done. Now what we have to do? Sigma x, sigma y, sigma xy, and then rho. Mu x is 1.6 if my memory is right. Mu y is 0.9. Sigma x squared is, I think, 0.240, 0.24. Sigma y squared is 0.49. Okay. Now what we have to do? Sigma x we have to do. What is sigma x? Square root of 0.24. Square root of 0.24 is how much? .4898. Okay, 0.489. Sigma y, no need to use the calculator, 0.49. 0.49 square is 0.7. Okay. Now next is, come here, sigma xy. Sigma xy, how to do it? Sigma xy. Sigma x minus mu x. Okay, I will do it in a, I will minimize it, this one. Okay, sigma xy we are going to do. First, what is the formula? Sigma x minus mu x, y minus mu y, pxy. Okay, what is x? 1. What is mu x? 1.6. Not square, note it down. Then y minus mu y. 0 minus 0.9. I have taken this one, then I have taken this one. Okay, x minus mu x, y minus mu y. So what is the corresponding value? This 0.1. We are not going to put this value or this value. Okay, just the corresponding p value. Understand? This is a bit difficult. Get it down. Then y minus then I am going to do with only with one this all. So I put okay, all one. Here it will change. One minus 0.9. 2 minus 0.9. Okay. The corresponding value for this one, 0.2, 0.1. Okay, 1 we finished. Then 2. then I am taking in this 2 minus 1.6, 2 minus 1.6, 2 minus 1.6. I am doing with 0 minus 0.9, 1 minus 0.9, 2 minus 0.9. You see, so there will be 6 values, because here 2 values, here 3 values, 6 values. You got it? This one, if you are very carefully enter the results. So 0.2, 0.3, 0.1. I mark it different colors. X 1 minus 1.6, 2 minus 1.6 in same color, and 0 minus 0.9, y value 0, y value 1, y value 2. For each one I put specific color so that you can get it. Now what is this value? All you have to add it. I didn't put the add symbol sign because of the space. Okay, then what is 1 minus 1.6 is minus 0.6. In sigma x squared, sigma y squared, that minus will not be valid, will not be countable because we are squaring. Here minus is there. 1 minus 1.6 is minus 0.6. Take care. Minus 0.9 cross 0.1. Minus 0.6. Minus 0.6. Okay, here 0.4, 0.4, 0.4, minus 0.9, then minus 1 minus 0.9 is 0.1. 1 minus 0.9 is 0.1. 2 minus 0.9 is 1.1. Okay, got it? Minus 0.6, 0.9, got it? Copy down. Okay, add it 0.54, 0.054. Here minus minus will be plus. .054 minus 012 minus 0.066 minus 0.72 12 44. Okay, add all these things. 12, 78, 3 is 4, no, 72, 0.121, 0.4, 0.6, 0.91. Okay, 78, 150. This will be minus 0.150. This will be 66. 110. Okay, one more time I will check it out. 1 minus 0.6, 0.4, minus 0.9, 0.1, 1.1. Okay, okay, 654, 6, 12, 66, 36, 72, 12, 12 and 44. Everything is right. Okay, now 66, 70, 110. So the value is sigma x squared is minus 0.4 0.04. Okay, sigma xy is minus 0.04. Okay, we found sigma xy is minus 0.04. Sigma x is square root of sigma x squared. What value we found out? Sigma x is 0.489, sigma y is 0.7. What is square this one? Sigma xy over sigma x, sigma y. So minus 0.04 divided by 0.489 times 0.7. Okay. Just to do it, this one. So minus minus 0.116. Minus 0.116 is the answer. Negative correlation. That is also weak negative correlation. Okay, you got it? Okay, first what we have to do? First, there will be x set of two values and y set of 2x may be set of two values or three values, y will be set of two values or three values. They will give the probabilities. Okay, what you have to do first, what is the formula? Rho is equal to sigma xy over sigma x times sigma y. What is sigma x? Sigma x is square root of sigma x squared. What is sigma x squared? Sigma x minus mu x whole square times px. Okay, what is mu x? Sigma x px. Okay, sigma y squared. Sigma y is then to what we have to do? Denominator another portion is sigma y. Sigma y is square root of sigma y squared. What is sigma y squared? Sigma y minus mu y whole square times py. Okay, what is mu y? Sigma y py. Then what we have to do? Sigma xy. Sigma xy is sigma x minus mu x. There is no square. Instead of y minus mu y px. Okay, corresponding value put it. Sigma x minus mu x, y minus mu y, when you are multiplying, you will get the negative value also because there is no square. If accordingly you put it, or the value you add it, then divided by square root of sigma x squared. That is, you have to find sigma x and sigma y. Then find the value. Check whether the values are what is called -1 to between 1. Always check. You have noticed me, I am also every time calculation I recheck it once again. -0.116. If it is -0.116, when the x variable is increases, y variable slightly decreases because it is not the strong correlation. Strong correlation means -0.9, -0.8, -0.95 is strong negative correlation. It is a weak negative correlation, -0.116. Okay, this is the one. Just I would like to give you one question. Please do it and check now. I will give you very simple. X value is 1 and 3. Y value is 1 and 2. Okay. What the probability value we can give? 0.2, 0.4, 0.1, 0.3. Find this correlation coefficient and put it in the comment box. I would like to see the results. 0.2, first check whether it is 1 is the 0.6 and 1, 0.4. Wish you all the best. Okay, study well. Then you will get good marks. So it is positive relationship. Okay. Bye.